What?
Every time I think of being graceful, it reminds me of Breaking Dawn. Oh yeah! Watch me. Did you bring up bread?
Look at me.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Yeah, I'll use these for dinner tonight. Bowls. Yeah, thank you. I guess I'm gonna have to carry the bread. Do we have Thank you so much.
Your turn. You take it. You take it.
On the
Ah!
scramble.
Ah!
Seconds didn't count.
It's still going.
Which is my dear.
September 3rd.
Oh!
I'm just doing that to remember. Okay. Be praying. Outpatient or?
No, I'm gonna stay overnight.
You are. What hospital?
Yeah, Tacoma General.
Okay.
That's what they said.
Yeah.
So that would be cool.
The third. That's when you're gonna have the surgery?
Yeah.
Okay, first thing in the morning?
Yeah.
It will be praying.
Thank you. That would be
Will you guys help, let's see if I can, no, you guys have to do this.
Courtney.
If I can
Courtney,
carry
say
something
bye.
Yours, with this
Bye.
egg in my hand.
Bye.
I can
Bye.
carry something this side.
Bye.